Good morning, students. Today we will continue chapter number 5, Articles Part 2. Now let us revise what we have learned in last video. We have learned what are articles and when to use a, an and the in the sentence. Now we will quickly revise what are articles. Articles are a word used before the noun and to modify the noun. Article defines whether a noun is in specific or in general. There are three articles in English: a and the. These articles are divided into two types: definite article and indefinite article. Article the comes in the list of definite articles as it shows the uniqueness and specific in the things. Article a and an comes in the list of indefinite articles as it does not show any uniqueness and specific in the things. Instead, it shows that the thing is said in a general. Now we will revise when to use a or an in the sentence. In English alphabet there are 26 letters. In that 5 are vowels and 21 are consonant. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels and other remaining letters are called consonant. If a word begin with a vowel sound, an is used, and if a word begin with a consonant sound, a is used. For example, an alligator, an orange, a nest, a door. Now take out your grammar textbook, page number 35, exercise A. Fill in the blanks with a or an. First one, how many days are there in a week? Here we have written a because word week begins with a consonant. So we have to write a. Second, I saw a frog hop into the pond. Third, please carry an umbrella. It is raining. Why we have used here an? Because the word umbrella begins with a vowel, so we have to write an. Fourth, Farida saw an eagle sitting in their roof. Fifth, I can climb a tree. 6. Ira wants to be an actor. 7. Have you ever seen an octopus? 8. My brother gifted me a toy. Take out page number 36, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with a and the. First one, Simon is a pilot. He flies an aeroplane. Second, the red hen found a seed. She wanted to plant the seed. Third, Mummy brought a frock for Jessie. The frock had a pretty lace. Fourth, Simi brought a gift for Mummy. The gift was a storybook. Fifth, the earth goes around the sun. Sixth, the Himalayas are youngest mountain in the world. 7. My uncle lives in a village. It is on the bank of the Yamuna. Now take out page number 37, exercise D. Complete the paragraph with a and the. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Mina. She lived in a village with her parents. The village was near the Arabian Sea. Mina had an aunt who lived near her house. One day, a man came with an elephant. He took the children for a ride on the elephant. The children loved the ride. Now it's time for homework. In homework, you have to write exercise A, C, and D in your grammar textbook and exercise B in your grammar notebook. Goodbye. Have an amazing day.